right, this is a video explanation of your assignment. So parts of a landscape. You need to be able to tell the parts of a landscape. If you're in second grade, you do the diagram where you have your horizon line. So you need to know what that horizon line is for. It separates the sky from the ground. And then this creates space in your artwork. Things that are towards the bottom are large. Things that get towards the top of this horizon line in the distance will appear smaller. Okay? So anything that you draw, and do not copy mine. And if you're in second grade, we went over this in class several times. Draw a scene that is mostly a natural scene where I can definitely tell things are bigger and things get smaller. I'm going to go ahead and make this house a little bit more fancy. All right, so the next thing that you need to do is upload your picture into the spot that is for your landscape part 1. And add details. Do not draw suns with porcupines. Please just draw suns as round circles if you include those in your picture. So remember, do not copy mine. Do your own. And with a pencil, and then take a picture and turn it in. And that is your lesson for part 1. All right, this is the video explanation for landscape part 2 for second grade and third grade. So color blending with crayons. Now, you don't have to have 24 crayons, but you can have 8 crayons to do this too. Just use colors that are close together, like yellow and green, blue, yellow, and green. The first step that you want to do is pick what you want to color in. Please use small strokes like we've learned in class. Do not use these long stroke techniques. We want our artwork to look amazing and sophisticated. So my first layer is a light layer. This helps a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and add yellow to certain sections of my picture. So start off with a light color. This helps. Then I'm going to go ahead and add right on top of that this yellow-green, and I'm not going on top of all of it. I'm just going around the edges. And this is color blending. I'm going to go one more time with a darker green right around the edges using small strokes. And now you can get that nice glow of that tree. Let's see what happens if I only use, one color, say for brown. The value that you want to do is maybe not press hard, you want to do it lighter, and then use that same color to darken the edges. And remember, leave some of that lightness. And now I'm just going to go back really light on top with just a little bit of black. You can do that for most things. I'm just going to choose this nice color here for my roof. All right, now I'm going to grab a darker color. So always start off with your lighter color. Do not color over the entire first layer. There's just around the edge. Go into it a little bit. Notice I'm going into it a little bit. And then the darkest color is light, and then just around the edges. And this is color blending with crayons. And you can have fun. You don't have to make your houses colors that are real. You can have a purple house if you want. That doesn't matter. So use the short strokes. Make this nice and neat. And I'm going to do a little bit more and then come back. Okay, so I went and I decided to add a little bit more detail into my picture. I added more houses. So just to review really quick, and color in your whole landscape. Find a light color, then find a color that is similar and add it into the edges. Like that. Then you can, around the edges of that, just darken it up. That's color blending. And pick the color for your house. Working in light. Add another color. Bring it into that space. And then maybe add a darker color. I like to do 3 color blendings. It just makes it more fun. And I just like it. And I think you will like it too. And it teaches you a new technique for crayons. Makes your artwork a little bit more sophisticated. Just keep your strokes small and all in the same direction. That works great for this technique. I'm just going to add a little brown in there, right along the edge. And I hope that helps. Look forward to seeing your completed artwork. Don't forget, you upload the picture of your artwork online. So finish the whole thing.